Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the knit stitches, how to make the purl stitches and how to cast off the stitches from the needle. In the previous video you have already seen how to cast on stitches, and in the next video you have seen how to make the knit stitches, that is making only knit stitches on both the sides, which gives a garter stitch like this. So let's get started with today's video. Let's start making the purl stitches. In the previous video we have already seen how to make knit stitches, and this is the pattern where we have continuously made knit stitches for 8 rows. So now I will start with how to make the purl stitches. For this, take your needle and insert it in the front side of the first loop like this. For knitting we used to take the needle on the back side, but for purl stitches take it on the front side and wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the loop and slide the previous stitch. One more time, insert the needle purl wise or on the front side, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the loop and slide the stitch. I will show you like this. Wrap it one time, pull this loop and slide this stitch. Okay, continue making the purl stitches. This is just opposite to knitting. You have to insert the needle on the front side. For knitting, for making knit stitch, we will insert the needle on the back side. This is how you do the purl stitches. The last stitch, same way. Okay, so this is one row of purl. Now when you turn this to the other side, you can see here on the other side the knit stitches will be formed. If we knit on one row, the other side purl stitches will be formed. If we purl on one side, the other side knit stitches will be formed. So this is what it looks like. Now as this is a knit row, continue making all the stitches knitwise. Check the link in the description to know how to make the knit stitches. Now on next side, start making all the stitches purl wise. Insert the needle front side, yarn over one time, pull this loop and slide off. Continue making alternate rows of knit on one side and purl on one side for at least 8 to 10 rows. I completed making a few rows of only knit stitch on one side and only purl stitch on one side. So this pattern of knit stitch is about 25 rows. You can count the number of stitches here, or you can count from the purl side. It is more easier to count from here. So after making 25 rows of knit and purl stitch, I again made 3 rows of garter stitch, that is only making knit stitches on both the sides. Now I will show how to cast off the stitches or how to finish this project. For that, take your needle, make 2 knits, one and second. Now to close the stitches, you have to pick up the first stitch that you have already knitted and you have to slide it off on the second and leave it. Okay, again you have to knit a stitch. When you have 2 loops on the needle, you have to slide the first stitch over the second. This is how you close the stitches or you cast off. Again, make 1 more knit, slide the first stitch over the second, okay. This is how you close the stitches. Continue. Last one. So we completed sliding the stitches, and this last loop is remaining. I have already cut the tail. Just pull it and pass this thread or the strand through the loop and pull it tight. This completes the casting off. Okay, so in the next knitting video we will start with some small project or making some designs. So practice this, knit, purl and the garter stitch, and we will meet up in the next video. Thank you.